How is it going, you guys? I just want to do a very quick review on the Traeger 780 that I got for Christmas. This thing, it's actually really freaking nice. I'm surprised. I went from a Brinkman to this, and just the controls and everything that you get with this is just so much better. I went ahead, the assembly is extremely easy. The directions pretty much walk you through almost everything. The only thing that was mildly convoluted when you're doing the install is installing this little guy right here, which I'm assuming is just to protect you from sticking your hand down into the auger. When you do it, you just want to loosen these two screws enough to where you can slide the grate down on and then just retorque them. That's all there really is to it. Once you have everything installed, you need to download the Traeger app, and at that point, walk through the Wi-Fi My Grill setup. When it asks you for a QR code, it is conveniently located right now. Once you're all done, ready to go, and you filled up your box, go ahead and flip this guy on. It will illuminate once it's ready to go. Oh my God. All right, once you're here, it's gonna go through the startup process. You will need to pre-prime your auger by going to menu, and then twisting down to auger, selecting, and then prime auger. Once you are ready to go, menu takes you back to your main. You can adjust your temperature set point. Once you have your set point, press down on this again and hit ignite. You're going to see a startup sequence. It's going to run for a little while, and then you're going to see a pre-warm. That's going to run for a little bit longer, and then you're going to really start to see some smoke. Your temperature is going to fluctuate quite a bit during this process, and even during the smoking process is what I noticed, but it's totally normal according to the directions. I did a prime rib on this last night for Christmas, and it turned out fan-freaking-tastic. I swear, it was amazing. I went with a mesquite smoke. The pellets, obviously, just go in there. And it's pretty convenient. You have your internal probe, which is right here, that's telling you the temperature inside the box. And then right here you have your probe that comes with it. You just insert this into the thickest part of whatever you're cooking. This runs through the little hole in the side here and then connects here. The functionality with the Wi-Fi is actually really nice because you can go ahead and change the temperature. You can set goal temps for your RTD here, and it's relaying all that information directly to your phone, so it'll notify you once the temperature that you want is hit. I'm planning on doing a lot of smoking videos here coming up in the future. Just trying some neat recipes, so stay tuned for those. Let me know if you have any questions about this thing. Honestly, I have nothing bad to say about it. Yeah, as always, like and follow, you guys. All right, thanks.